day, everyone. Today we'll be looking at solved equation. In this video, I'll be talking about solved equation with this example. We are going to solve this example together. Amen. Just follow my YouTube page, like it, make sure you share it. Thank you and God bless you. Okay. Now there is a problem here. These are solved equations. It said solve for x if square root of 5x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 equals to square root of 10x plus 6. Simple as ABC. It's not difficult. What you will do is just listen to me and follow me up. Okay? Okay, let's look at this video together. Let's first write solution. Solution 5x plus 1 square root plus square root of x plus 1 equals to square root of 10x plus 6. Amen. Okay. So what you need to do here, how can you solve this problem? It's simple as ABC. It's not difficult. Just listen very carefully. Okay. What you first do is to say square both sides. Square both sides. Square both sides. Amen. Square both sides. Okay. If you square both sides, this statement means square root of 5x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 all in bracket raised to power 2 equals to square root of 10x plus 6 all in bracket raised to power 2. This is the meaning of this statement. Is that clear? So please take note. Now, square root of this implies that look at the right hand side, the left hand side. You discover that we have square root of 5x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 all in square, two of us. But here we have square root of 10x plus 6 all in bracket raised to power 2. Amen. Okay. So I want to open your eyes to see something. Amen. Okay. I know very well that as it is, go back to your indices. If we have something of this form, a raised to the powers of square root of a raised to the all in bracket raised to power 2, this is the same thing as a raised to the power 1 all over 2 close bracket what? Raised to power 2, true of us. So without loss of generality, this and this will cancel to give us a, true of us. Okay? Do you agree with me? So this implies that. Do you agree with me? This implies that here the right hand side will now be 10x plus 6 all in bracket raised to power half close bracket raised to the powers of 2. True of us. If you want to go by this. Then this left hand side, I know some of you want to use this one to cancel this and to cancel this. That is not the right step. It cannot work. It implies that for the fact that here, the operation, we have an operation here, the operation here is plus. So we cannot apply this procedure. Amen? We can't apply it. Is that clear? So what you need to do is, this implies that is the same thing as that is what you need to do here is if we have something of this form, this is equals to a times a. Amen. So that is the meaning of this. Amen. So what we need to do here is square root of 5x plus 1 plus square root of x1 all in bracket times amen times square root of 5x plus 1 open bracket, square root of x plus 1, close the bracket. This is the meaning of this. Is that clear? So now, without loss of generality, this and this will go, two of us. So what we need to do, the right hand side will now be 10x plus 6, two of us. Okay, now the left hand side, we are going to multiply out these two brackets. How? This one times this will give us, we apply sort here. Take note that if we have root 5x plus 1 times root 5x plus 1, this is the same thing as 5x plus 1, two of us. In sort, if we apply sort, two of us. So take note. So this one multiplied this will going to give us 5x plus 1. Then this one multiplied this will going to give us plus, it's going to give us root 5x plus 1, close bracket, x plus 1. Is that clear? This is what you are going to have. How? I know some of you, you will ask, how come you are using root 5x plus 1 to multiply root x plus 1? Here we apply multiplication law, sort. You know, in sort, if two sorts are multiplying, this implies that this is the same thing as 5x plus 1, square root of 5x plus 1, open bracket, x plus 1. That is to say, if we have root a times root b, this is the same thing as root ab. Okay, do you agree with me? That is what we are doing here. Please take note. So the same thing applicable here, plus root 5x plus 1, open bracket, open another bracket again, x plus 1. Amen? Okay, do you agree with me? Okay, so here, then you just want to multiply this, root x plus 1 times root x plus 1. You know, it's going to give you x plus 1, two of us. Then this is equals to 10x plus 6. Amen? Okay, look at this square roots. You don't need a prophet to tell you. This square root is going to give us what? 2 roots, open bracket 5x plus 1, close bracket, open bracket, x plus 1, close the bracket. Two of us. How? I know some of you will say, how? Look at it. If we have, assuming we have root a plus root b, look at it. Close the bracket. Then ask yourself what is common in the bracket. Root root a. Root a plus root a. Ask yourself what is common. Root a. Then factor it out. Here will be 1 plus here will be what? 1. Two of us. So 1 plus 1 will give you what? 2. Isn't it? So this is equals to root a all in bracket 2. By the time you use these two to multiply, it will give you 2 root a, two of us. So when you look at this and this, it's the same thing applicable. Is that clear? So we are going to write 5x plus 1 plus 2 roots 5x plus 1. Amen. Then x plus 1 times x plus 1 again. Then what we have here, plus x plus 1 equals to 10x plus 6. Amen. Okay. If you can see what I am saying, we can add this and this. Let's just collect right terms. Our 5x plus x, then plus 1 plus 1 plus 2. Look at it. This one will come this side. Then this one will come this side. Mind you, these ones are not crossing the sign of qualities, so it cannot be negative. They are still on the same left hand side. Is that clear? So here we'll write all in brackets 5x plus, sorry, this place is 1. 1 open bracket x plus 1. Amen. Then this is equals to 10x plus 6. Two of us. Okay. So let us add this. Add this. Mind you, don't add this one to this one. Is that clear? They are not the same thing. So if you add this one to this, it will give us 2. If you add this one to this, 5x plus x, it will give us 6x plus 2 plus 2 square root of open bracket 5x plus 1 times open bracket x plus 1, which is equals to 10x plus what? 6. Amen. Okay. So at this point, we are going to say collect like terms. Collect like terms. Amen. If we collect like terms, we now remember that if any value crosses the sign of this equality, it becomes what? Negative. Are you done with this part? Can I play this part? Okay, if you are done, no problem. It's okay. 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 If you can see what I am saying, this implies that 6x crosses the sign of equality becomes what? Negative. 2 crosses the sign of equality becomes negative. So we are going to have the left answer will now be 2 root open bracket x 5x plus 1 open bracket x plus 1 close bracket equals to 10x plus 6. Then 6x crosses the sign of equality becomes minus 6x. Then 2 crosses the sign of equality becomes minus 2. Do you agree with me? Okay. So the left answer will now be 5x plus 1 only bracket x plus 1. Amen. This is equals to 10x minus 6x. Okay. For the sake of malleance, is that clear? Let's do it this way. 10x minus 6x plus 6 minus 2. Amen. Okay, so if you agree with me, okay, so what we need to do is let us subtract. If we subtract, amen, 5x plus 1 all in bracket x plus 1 equals to this one minus this will give us 4x. Then this one minus 6 minus 2 will give us 4. True or false? Then at this point we divide through by these 2. Divide through by, amen, divide through by 2, amen, through by 2. If we divide through by 2, it means we are going to have 2 root only bracket 5x plus 1 open bracket x plus 1 equals to 4x plus 4 all over 2. 2 to itself 1. So the left answer will now be square root of 5x plus 1, amen, all in bracket x plus 1. This is equals to 4x all over 2. I'm going to break it down for the sake of malleance. Is that clear? So if you can see what I am saying, this and this will go, this and this will go. So here will now be square root of 5x plus 1 times x plus 1 equals to, here will give us 2x plus what? 2. So at this point, for us to obtain the value of x, we are going to square both sides. Amen. Let's square both sides. Okay. If we square both sides, square both sides. If you square both sides, it means the left hand side will now be 5x plus 1, amen, open bracket x plus 1 equals to 2x plus 2 all in what? Square. So let us multiply out. That is 5x plus 1